Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000, $4,300, Townsend, Massachusetts. This 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 1000 is a classic Ironhead-era machine that still captures the raw spirit of vintage Harley riding. Finished in red and showing 24,000 miles, it offers the timeless styling and character that make these Sportsters so popular among collectors and riders today. After sitting for many years, this bike has received extensive mechanical attention, including ignition, carburetor, clutch, gasket, and electrical system work. It runs well and is back on the road, making it an appealing classic Harley that appears ready for its next owner, with only tire replacement recommended in the near future. Number 2. 1976 Honda CB400F Supersport, $3,950, Tolland, Connecticut. The 1976 Honda CB400F Supersport remains one of the most respected small displacement classics ever built. Known for its lightweight handling, smooth four-cylinder engine, and distinctive styling, the CB400F continues to attract vintage Honda enthusiasts across the United States. This example has 17,808 miles and is described as a clean, sorted, turnkey rider rather than a project bike. With strong performance, easy starting, and the nimble handling these models are famous for, it offers an excellent opportunity to own one of Honda's most beloved vintage motorcycles. Number 3. 1975 Triumph Bonneville 750, $5,500, Westfield, Massachusetts. The Triumph Bonneville T140V is one of the defining British motorcycles of the 1970s, combining classic styling with the unmistakable feel of a parallel twin engine. This blue example remains especially attractive, with just 8,612 original miles and a long ownership history. Major mechanical work has recently been completed, including a rebuilt engine, balanced crankshaft, transmission overhaul, new clutch components, and fresh tires. Combined with its original color repaint and smooth running condition, this Bonneville appears ready to be enjoyed for years to come. Number 4. 1989 Kawasaki Vulcan, $1,500, Biddeford, Maine. The 1989 Kawasaki Vulcan represents an early generation of Japanese V-twin cruisers that helped shape the modern cruiser market. With classic styling, dual exhausts, and comfortable road manners, these motorcycles are becoming increasingly appreciated by vintage Japanese bike fans. This example shows just 11,500 miles and is described as a clean, well-preserved motorcycle. Recent upgrades include new tires, battery, and voltage regulator, while the hard-to-find dual exhaust system adds extra appeal. At only $1,500, it stands out as one of the budget-friendly deals in this lineup. Number 5. 1983 BMW R100, $5,500, Westerly, Rhode Island. The BMW R100 remains one of the most iconic air-cooled boxer motorcycles ever produced. Known for durability, comfort, and long-distance touring capability, these classic BMWs continue to enjoy a loyal following among riders and collectors alike. This R100 has received extensive upgrades and maintenance, including suspension improvements, electronic ignition, stainless exhaust, upgraded charging system, Mikuni carburetors, improved brakes, and numerous touring accessories. With 45,600 miles and a long list of quality components, it offers a well-sorted example of a legendary German motorcycle. Number 6. 1983 Suzuki GS650 GL,
$1,200, Lewiston, Maine. The 1983 Suzuki GS650GL represents the dependable middleweight touring motorcycles that became popular throughout the early 1980s. Known for its smooth inline-four engine, comfortable riding position, and long-distance capability, the GS650GL offered riders a practical blend of reliability and performance. Finished in burgundy and showing 33,700 miles, this example still carries the classic styling and character that made Suzuki's GS series a favorite among everyday riders. According to the seller, the bike idles perfectly and has passed a compression test, providing confidence in the engine's condition. The fuel tank shows honest exterior patina while remaining clean inside, and a fresh tank of fuel has already been added. Additional features include 3 removable travel boxes, a perfect seat, working lights and controls, plus both side and center stands. At only $1,200, this could be one of the most affordable vintage touring motorcycles featured in today's lineup.
Number 7. 1989 Harley-Davidson Softail, $7,500, Milford, Connecticut. The 1989 Harley-Davidson Springer Softail captures the timeless American cruiser look that helped define Harley-Davidson during the late 20th century. Featuring the iconic Springer front end, classic spoke wheels, and flowing Softail frame design, this motorcycle delivers the vintage appearance riders love, while maintaining the unmistakable presence of a Harley V-twin. With fewer than 14,000 miles showing, it remains an appealing machine for both collectors and weekend riders. This two-owner example is described as running great with no damage and includes a clean title. The bike features aftermarket exhaust pipes, chrome accessories, a passenger backrest, tank strap, passenger pegs, and luggage rack supports. Combined with its attractive red finish and low mileage, this Springer Softail offers a strong combination of style, originality, and cruising comfort for Harley enthusiasts.
Number 8. 1983 Yamaha XJ900, $2,700, Rehoboth, Massachusetts. The Yamaha XJ900 earned a reputation as one of the most capable sport touring motorcycles of its era. Powered by a strong inline-four engine producing around 100 horsepower, the XJ900 offered excellent highway performance, smooth power delivery, and impressive reliability. Riders appreciated its ability to handle long-distance trips while still delivering plenty of excitement on winding back roads. This red example shows 26,240 miles and comes with a clean title. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs great, needs nothing, and recently received a carburetor synchronization service installed. New Dunlop tires have also been installed, helping make the bike road-ready for its next owner. At just $2,700, it represents an attractive value for riders seeking a powerful and well-maintained vintage Japanese motorcycle.
Number 9. 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead, $4,500, Ledyard, Connecticut. The 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead remains one of the most recognizable American motorcycles ever produced. Known for its rugged construction, distinctive engine sound, and classic styling, the Ironhead helped establish the Sportster as a lasting icon in Harley-Davidson history. These motorcycles continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate old-school craftsmanship and a direct connection to motorcycling's golden era. This particular machine features a 1972 1000cc engine and retains its traditional kickstart setup. Finished in purple, the seller states that it fires right up, runs, drives, stops, and idles without issue. Its straightforward condition and running status make it an appealing option for someone looking to enjoy a vintage Harley without taking on a major restoration project.
Number 10. 1971 Kawasaki KE, $1,500, Quakertown, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Kawasaki KE represents the lightweight, dual-purpose motorcycles that introduced many riders to off-road and back-road adventures during the early 1970s. Simple, durable, and easy to maintain, these small-displacement Kawasaki's were designed to be versatile machines capable of handling both pavement and dirt roads. Today, surviving examples are becoming increasingly difficult to find in original condition. This red example shows just 8,455 miles and is being offered as a restoration or repair candidate. The seller notes that the motorcycle runs but still requires some finishing work, including the installation of a chain before it can be ridden regularly. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage Kawasaki project, the $1,500 asking price may provide an interesting opportunity to bring a classic lightweight motorcycle back to its former glory.
Number 11. 1972 Triumph Daytona 500, $4,700, Whitensville, Massachusetts. The 1972 Triumph Daytona 500 remains one of the most respected middleweight British motorcycles of its era. Known for its lightweight handling, responsive performance, and classic styling, the Daytona became a favorite among riders looking for a machine that balanced everyday usability with genuine sporting character. Today, well-preserved examples continue to attract collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate vintage British engineering. This example shows just over 10,000 miles and has received extensive maintenance, including a rebuilt top end, rebuilt carburetors, new tires, clutch, brakes, battery, and fresh fluids. The seller also includes a large collection of spare parts, including headers, mufflers, handlebars, ignition components, and even an extra fuel tank. While the current tank could benefit from paint, the motorcycle reportedly runs great and offers an excellent opportunity to enjoy immediately or further restore for show-quality presentation.
Number 12. 1982 Suzuki SP, $4,500, Richmond Hill, New York. The 1982 Suzuki SP represents the rugged, dual-purpose motorcycles that became increasingly popular during the early 1980s. Designed to handle both paved roads and light off-road adventures, the SP series earned a reputation for reliability, simplicity, and versatility. These vintage street-legal trail bikes have become increasingly desirable among riders who appreciate classic Japanese engineering and practical usability. According to the seller, this red example retains its original mileage and remains in very clean condition for its age. Recent maintenance includes a new chain, battery, spark plug, air filter, and fresh oil service completed in June 2026. The motorcycle is currently inspected, street legal, and carries a clean title in the seller's name. With everything reportedly functioning as intended, this Suzuki appears ready for its next adventure.
Number 13. 1977 Harley-Davidson XLH 1000, $3,700, New Preston, Marbledale, Connecticut. The 1977 Harley-Davidson XLH 1000 belongs to the legendary Ironhead Sportster family, one of the most recognizable motorcycle platforms ever produced in America. Known for its distinctive V-twin character, timeless styling, and strong enthusiast following, the XLH remains a favorite among riders seeking an authentic vintage Harley-Davidson experience. These motorcycles continue to hold a special place in American motorcycling history. This custom example is described as needing nothing and showing only around 10,000 miles. The seller notes that it comes with a clean title and is ready to ride. With its combination of low mileage, custom touches, and reportedly excellent condition, this XLH could be an appealing option for anyone looking to add a classic Harley to their garage without taking on a restoration project.
Number 14. 1978 Harley-Davidson FX Customized, $7,000, Southeastern Massachusetts. The 1978 Harley-Davidson FX represents the iconic shovelhead era that many enthusiasts consider one of the most memorable periods in Harley-Davidson history. Combining big V-twin power with classic styling and endless customization potential, the FX platform became a symbol of American cruiser culture. Decades later, these motorcycles remain highly sought after for both their mechanical character and unmistakable road presence. This customized FX has reportedly been owned by the seller for approximately 25 years and is powered by a 1200cc engine paired with a 5-speed transmission. The seller describes the motorcycle as running excellent while delivering fuel economy in the 40 to 42 mpg range. Regular maintenance and careful ownership over the years have helped preserve this classic machine, making it an attractive example of a well-kept vintage shovelhead.
Number 15. 1995 Yamaha XV250 Virago, $800, Susquehanna, Pennsylvania. The Yamaha XV250 Virago became one of the most popular beginner-friendly cruisers of the 1990s thanks to its lightweight design, approachable power delivery, and dependable V-twin engine. Styled to resemble larger cruisers while remaining easy to ride and maintain, the Virago introduced countless riders to motorcycling. Even today, these motorcycles remain popular as affordable entry-level classics. This red 1995 example is being offered as a project motorcycle and includes both a title and supporting paperwork from the previous owner. The seller notes that the stator needs replacement and that the fuel tank has a dent, but the bike could provide an affordable starting point for a restoration or repair project. At just $800, it stands out as one of the lowest-priced motorcycles featured in today's collection.